Having more than one brokerage makes a lot of sense if you're a day trader. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should consider doing the same coming up. So yes, I think it's very important to have more than one brokerage when you're trading in the stock market, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why coming up. But before I do, I just want to welcome you to this channel, and hopefully that this video earns a thumbs up and a subscription if you want to see more content such as this. Several times throughout the week, I put out videos as it pertains to day trading and how I've been able to find success in trading in the stock market. But I also have a barcast that comes out every Monday where we talk about entrepreneurship and how I've been able to become a successful entrepreneur as well as a day trader. And speaking of which, I'd like to invite you to check out WeTradeHQ.com. That is the platform that I built with my partner Jake. We designed WeTradeHQ so that no matter what you're trading in the market, WeTradeHQ is the place for you. So go check it out. The links are down in the description below. I encourage you to go check it out. We have over 5,000 members learning and growing and celebrating each other's success. It's just a great community to be a part of. Okay, so on to the 3 reasons why I think it's important to have more than one brokerage when day trading. And I know there's a lot of you guys out that are like, what are you talking about, bro? Robinhood's the best. There ain't nothing else out there that I could consider day trading with. But that's where you're wrong. So here's the thing with Robinhood, okay? Yes, they have free commissions, and yes, they have a very valuable brokerage. And I think that it can serve a lot of good purposes, and it's really what's brought a lot of people into the market to learn how to day trade. I think that the platform that they've, and the idea that they have is obviously very good. It's like I said, it's allowed to bring a lot of new traders in, but what happens is it's bringing in so many new traders and they really have no idea what they're doing, and then they get lost, and Robinhood doesn't have the proper tools to help them become better day traders. And so that's why you come to me, checking out the morning mentorship, which if you want to check that out, I go live with folks from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time. Links are in the description. I highly encourage you to check that out. But Robinhood restricts you on a lot of things. And so I think that if you're looking to start out trading, that Robinhood could definitely be a good platform just to start out with, right? Just to test the waters. But honestly, I have Thinkorswim and Charles Schwab right now as my key brokerages that I use. And the reason for that being is because I am, what a lot of people would consider a professional day trader. So I do this for a living. This is something that I was able to quit my job to do. And so, I need to have the best tools to be able to do my job. And Robinhood just isn't it for me. Or any of those other free brokerages. I know that, there's advantages that you can have to not having, but honestly, platforms like Thinkorswim really help you gain that edge, with the Thinkorswim platform itself, all the tools and resources that they provide you with. Yes, you're paying commission, but that's what you're doing. You're getting what you paid for. And the Charles Schwab brokerage that I use, honestly, hands down, has the best customer service that I have ever experienced. I love having to call them up whenever I have to wire money over or something like that. They are really just the best. On the rare instance that their platform seems to be a little wonky or off or something might not be going off, they're always right on top of it. I love Thinkorswim because of the platform that it provides, the charting, the tools, the capabilities that TOS really gives you. I think TOS is perfect for the professional and novice trader so that you can really grow into something like TOS. Here's the other kicker though. If you're trading on a free commissions platform, you're restricting yourself from expanding out to other types of penny stocks. And that's why I have Thinkorswim and Charles Schwab. Here's the other thing and why it's important to have more than one brokerage, because a lot of these zero commission based platforms restrict you from trading certain penny stocks and a lot of other stocks as well, whereas Thinkorswim allows you to trade a lot more of those penny stock type trades, and Charles Schwab even takes it a step further. So Thinkorswim allows you to trade almost every penny stock there is. Charles Schwab, there hasn't been a penny stock that I haven't been able to trade on Charles Schwab yet. So that is one really good feature that Charles Schwab has, or one really good reason why I think Charles Schwab is a good platform to have, because on top of having Thinkorswim. Because if I see something on Thinkorswim and then all of a sudden I find out that I can't buy it, that I know that I can go to Charles Schwab and I can get in and capitalize on a potential run that I would have otherwise missed out on had I just kept my Robinhood account or just had my Thinkorswim account. Having that extra account really pays off And it doesn't come around often. It doesn't come around, every single day. But there are instances where I would have missed out on 5-figure wins because I would have only had one brokerage. If I didn't have that Charles Schwab account, or whatever other account that would have allowed me to have access to trading those stocks, then I would have missed out a lot on those types of trades. Now, I'm not telling you that you should only have Thinkorswim or only have Charles Schwab or only have just those two and nix all the other brokerages. I don't owe any of these guys anything. I don't have a referral program. They don't sponsor me, which, by the way, it would be nice if one of you guys reached out to me and responded to some of my emails because I do have an influence here. Nevertheless, I will say that it is really important to just have at least two brokerages that you can leverage whenever there's a problem. And let's just say, look, all these platforms are very powerful, but there are instances where sometimes they'll go down. Let's just say that you're blind because you don't have your Thinkorswim went down for a couple of minutes, and then you can just hop on over to your other brokerage or whatever. And then, that way you have that one in your back pocket. It's almost like having a fail safe or just having a really good backup system in case one brokerage just seems to be down or whatever. Now, look, I know that it's really difficult for a lot of people who are just starting out to have two accounts. You really have to have a sizable amount of cash to be able to split those two. So I wouldn't suggest somebody who's just starting out as a day trader today, or maybe you've only been in this 6 months or something like that, and you don't have enough capital to be able to split that up into two brokerages. I totally understand that. But when you get yourself to a point that you feel comfortable enough to split your account into two different brokerages, I'm telling you, it will pay off in the long run. And I'm not even saying that you have to be above PDT to really have that work out for you. You could even have 10 grand in each of those and still be under PDT and still make that work for you, because here's the thing. You can make 3-day trades on one brokerage. You can make 3-day trades on the other brokerage within those 5-day periods, which gives you 6-day trades that you can make with those two brokerages. So see what I'm saying here? There's a lot of advantages to having more than one brokerage. And I just realized that I was only going to give you 3 reasons why it was good to have more than one brokerage, but hey, whatever. It's a bonus video, right? You get bonus reasons, whatever. There's a ton of value here. So just give me a thumbs up for all the reasons that I'm giving you for having multiple brokerages. And if I missed one, I certainly would appreciate it if you left any comments below on the advantages of having more than one brokerage. And I would really love it if you could leave me some comments down below and let me know what brokerages you use to help you find the best success. Again, like I said, I use Thinkorswim and Charles Schwab, or TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab as my brokerages of choice, just because of the tools and resources that they allow me to put my best foot forward and helping me become a better trader every single day. But if you have a better system, a better set of brokerages that you use that helps you find success, I certainly want to hear from you so that you can help other people who are watching this video in the future. I would certainly appreciate that from you. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please check the links down below if you want to learn how to become a better day trader, and if you want to be a part of a great community at We Trade HQ that won't judge you for asking simple questions, that will make you feel welcome and really have your best interests at heart and helping you become a better trader. So check that out. Links are down in the description below for WeTradeHQ.com and my own personal morning mentorship group that I know that you're going to love. Go check those out. And again, guys, thank you so much. As always, I will see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out.